Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School Toddi Gudagurji. And today we will read about the chapter 3. It means matrix and definition of matrix and notation of a matrix and types of a matrix. Let's start the topic matrix. Definition and notation of a matrix. A matrix is an ordered arrangement of number or same quantities in which they are written rectangular or square configuration of row and columns. Again, a matrix is an ordered arrangement of numbers or same quantities in which they are written, it means matrix, in which they are written rectangular or square configuration of row and columns. Okay. The element can be real number. The element can be real number, complex number, polynomials, or even more general function. We can write numbers in a matrix, enclosing them by any brackets. It means bracket first, bracket second, and bracket third. Generally, we denote matrix by capital letters. We denote matrix by capital letters A, B, C, and etc. Definition of matrix and notation of a matrix. Notation of matrix are three types: first types, second types, and three types. We denote matrix by capital letters A, B, C, and etc. Note: matrix is an arrangement. Matrix is an arrangement such that we cannot find its value. Matrix is an arrangement such that we cannot find its value. Okay. Next topic: order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. If there are m row and n columns in a matrix, m row and n columns in a matrix, it is called a matrix of order m cross n. It is called a matrix of order m cross n. For example, matrix A denoted by matrix is capital letter A is equal to A11, A12 and so on A1, and A21, A22 and so on A21, and so on AM1, AM2 and so on AM1. Order of matrix M cross N. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Order of matrix M cross N. M row and N column. Denoted by M row and denoted by N columns. The vertical line is called vertical line. The vertical line is called columns. C1, C2, C3. And the horizontal line 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Horizontal line is called row. R1, R2. Order of matrix A. Order of matrix A, M cross N. M is equal to 2. 1, 2. M denoted by row, Row it means 1 to cross, and it denoted by colon. It means colon C1, C2, C3, 2 by 3. It means order of matrix A is equal to 2 by 3. Again, the vertical line is called colon. Vertical line 2 1 3 2 4 3. Vertical line C1 C2 C3. It means colon. Okay. Again, the horizontal line is called row. Colon C1 C2 C3. Row R1 R2. Okay. Order of matrix A M cross N, denoted by M, row, denoted by N, columns. Order of matrix A is equal to M cross N, M cross N, M R1 R2, it means 2, 1 2, and colon C1 C2 C3, it means 3. So order of matrix A is equal to M cross N is equal to 2 by 3. Next example, A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Matrix A. Order of matrix A. Order of matrix A. Horizontal line, row. The horizontal line is called row. Row R1 R2 R3. 1 2 3 R1, 4 5 6 R2, 7 8 9 R3. And the vertical line is called columns. 1 4 7 C1, 2 5 8 C2, 3 6 9 C3. Order of matrix A. Order of matrix A is equal to M cross N. M, it means row, and it means columns. M, row R1 R2 R3, it means 3 by N, 1 2 3, 3 by 3. Order of matrix A, 3 by 3. Okay. Again, vertical line is called column and horizontal line is called row. Okay. Now, number of element in matrix A. Matrix A. Number of element in matrix A is equal to multiply by order M cross N. It means M cross N is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Number of element in matrix A is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And number of element in matrix A is equal to multiply by order matrix M cross N. It means 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is equal to 9. Number of element in matrix A is equal to 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Next, this is a general form of a matrix. General form of a matrix. In this A11, A12 and so on AM1 are called element of a matrix. Element of matrix A11, A12, A1n, A21 and so on AMN. For example, element of matrix 2 3 4 1 2 3 and elements of matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. Note, in the element Aij, the first subscript I always denotes the number of a row. Aij, the first subscript I always denotes the number of a row. I denotes of number of a row, and the second subscript j number of a column. J column. In which the element occurs. Again, the element Aij, the first subscript I always denotes the number of row. I denoted by row, j denoted by column. Okay. For example, A is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 is equal to 2 3 4 5. A1 1, first subscript I and second subscript j. I denoted by row, j denoted by column. First row and first column is equal to 2. A11 is equal to 2. Position of element 2, first row and first column. Position of element 3, A12 is equal to 3. First row and second column. Position of element 4, A21 is equal to 4. 2. First subscript row and second subscript column. Second row first column is equal to 4. Position of element 5, A22 is equal to 5. It means second row and second column is equal to 5. Again, matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. A11 denoted by first subscript I and second subscript j. I denoted by row, j denoted by column. Position of element 2, A11 is equal to 2. First row, first column is equal to 2. Position of element 3, A12 is equal to 3. First row and second column. Position of element 4, second row, first column, A21 is equal to 4. And position of element 5, second row, second column, A22, 2 row and second 2 column. Second row and second column is equal to 5. Okay. Next topic, types of matrix. First types, row matrix. Definition of row matrix: a matrix having only one row. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Its order is 1 by n. 1 by n, 1 row, n columns. 1 by n, it means m cross n. 1 denoted by m, n denoted by n, m row and n column. It means row only 1 and column anyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 something. Its order is 1 by n. For example, A is equal to 2, 5, 3. Order of matrix A, 1 by n. It means row 1, 2, 5, 3 row and column 2, 5, 3. 1 by n. 1 row, 3 columns. A matrix having only one row. 1 by 3, 1 by 4 is called a row matrix. Okay. Second types, column matrix. A matrix having only one columns. A matrix having only one columns is called matrix. It is m cross n. For example, A is equal to 301. 301 colon only 1 and row 302. Order of matrix A 3 by 1. 3 row and 1 columns. Again, A matrix having only 1 columns is called matrix. Okay. Next types, zero or null matrix. A matrix in which each element is zero is called a zero matrix. A matrix in which each element is zero is called a zero matrix or a null matrix. It is generally denoted by capital O. It means capital 0. 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Order of matrix O is equal to 2 by 2. 2, it means row. And second 2, it means column. A matrix in which each element 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0 is called a zero matrix. It is generally denoted by capital O or capital 0. Square matrix, a matrix in which the numbers of row equal the numbers of a column. It means m is equal to n. M row n columns equal. A matrix in which the number of row equal the number of columns is called a square matrix. For example, A equal to 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, minus 1, 4, 7, 6. Order of matrix A 3 by 3. It means 3 row, 3 columns. It means 3 is equal to 3. Or A is equal to A11. Position of element 2, A11. Position of element 1, A12. Position of element 0, A13. Position of element 3, A21. Position of element 4, A22. Position of element minus 1, A23. Similarly, position of element 6, A33. Okay. The element A11, A22, A33 are called the diagonal element. A11, A22, A33 are called the diagonal element, and the line along which they lie is called the principal diagonal. A11, A22, A33 principal diagonal, as both subscript of all element of this diagonal are same. It means A11, 11 same, 22 same, 33 same. Okay. Next type, diagonal matrix. A square matrix. It means m is equal to n. A square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all the elements except those in the leading diagonal are 0. Again, a square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all the elements except those in the leading diagonal are 0. For example, Aij is equal to 0 if I not equal j. Aij equal to 0 if I not equal j. I denoted by m. It means m row. J denoted by n. It means column. Example, A equal to 4, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 3. 4, 5, 3 diagonal elements. It means principal diagonal. 4, 5, 3 principal diagonal. Aij equal to 0 if I not equal j. Position of element 0. A12 is equal to 0. 1, 2. 1 I, 2 j. 1 not equal to. It means 0. Position of vector 0. A13 is equal to 0. A13 is equal to 0. 1 it means I. 3 it means j. I 1 not equal 3. It means Aij is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly 0, 0, 0, 0. Next definition. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal. A diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. That is 3, 3, 3 diagonal element 3, 3, 3 are equal. Okay, is called a scalar matrix. Such that A is equal to Aij, n cross n, we have Aij is equal to 0 when I not equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, I not equal j. K when I equal to j, k it means constant number, k not equal 0, I equal to j, A11 3, A22 3, A33 3, it means I equal to j 3, 3, 3. Okay, again scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. 3, 3, 3 diagonal elements are equal, it is called a scalar matrix. Okay, next definition, unit or identity matrix. A scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is unit or one. A scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is unit or one is called an identity element. Scalar matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal, and unit matrix, a scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is unit. For example, I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Diagonal element 1, 1, 1 is unit or 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is called an identity matrix. It is denoted by IN. I, it means identity. Okay, so I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Order of matrix I 3 by 3. Okay. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in a next video. Thank you.